Hey guys, LegalLockPicker here, and today I have a package that I just signed for not 5 minutes ago. I had to throw away the entire morning's work, and I'll have to put that up another day because this package that you are looking at right now came in the mail today. This is a package from Locknoob. I have no idea what's inside. And I don't think I've ever been more excited to open a package. Only because he was actually one of the first people to subscribe to my channel, if not the first. He was the first person I asked for help, the first person I got advice for. And all the other people who've spent time giving me advice and help, I mean, the list is endless. But that's why I'm so excited to do this. So, let's get into this, shall we? I'm going to try to open this without revealing any addresses or anything like that. That's why I'm opening this in such a precarious way. I think if I open it up from this side... Okay, there we go. So, this should be fine. Do you ever just get one of those packages and you're really excited to open it and you end up cutting your finger off? That's this kind of package. Okay. Alright, here we go. Okay. Okay, you guys are actually looking at the same contents I'm looking at. Oh my god. This thing is heavy. Okay, alright, so... Okay, so... If you don't know by now, I'm going to tell you. I live in America. And we don't really see locks like this very often. It's just not something we come across. So when I went online and I purchased these right here, which I still haven't done on the air yet, but I will. But this is a lot heavier than all three of these. I mean, it's not even the same category, I guess. But it's real. This is heavy. This is going to be an exciting pick. And you can see that the bidding isn't bad either. I don't get a lot of these, so this is really exciting stuff. Okay, so let's go down the line, shall we? Oh, there's another one. See, these things are super heavy. Okay, so there's the bidding on that bad boy. Okay, it looks like a Mila lock. Wow, that's extremely smooth too. Yeah, I haven't picked anything like this. I've picked American locks, multi-locks, all kinds of locks under the sun, but wow, this one goes in entirely different too. Wow, this is going to be an incredibly fun pick. All of these are, really. I mean, how could we... I'm actually surprised at how heavy they truly are. I wasn't expecting that. Okay, here is... Whoa. Whoa. Okay, so... This is a lot lighter than this, but this is extremely shiny. I've never seen... I'm not sure what kind of lock this is. These are all OMGs from Germany. You see it says welcome for Germany. If that's what it does say. I don't know. But it feels like one of those chateau locks. But, okay, I can tell you straight away that this certainly locks a lot tighter than the other ones do. So, jeez. Locknoob, I appreciate this. I really do. I really do. I truly appreciate this. I know it aren't challenge locks. I don't have any challenge locks. I've never had one, locked one, but I can see that these are going to be extremely difficult. Whoa. This is like the coup de grace of locks. So I'm not familiar with these, and I'm still trying to get used to how heavy they are. I must have said that 15 times already. These are extremely heavy. The bitting on all these are just amazing. I have no idea. I don't know. I have no idea why this one's milled this way. You see how this one's... You see how that's sunk in? So these are going to be great picks. I can't believe you sent all this stuff. I appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you so much. Wow, look at all this. Oh, I'm going to be busy. Oh, he sent the what's it called? I actually sent a couple of those out, so it's nice to see the return on some of them. And he's actually, I think, the designer and creator of that, which that's pretty gnarly. Of course, I'm not sure either. So this is a master lock, obviously. I've never seen this one either. I've never seen a master lock like this. I mean, I've seen them type. Oh, that's pretty cool. So I guess you can stop it at, right, okay, so that's cool. You can stop it at any length. These are going to be great. This is going to be, you guys are extremely lucky because this is going to be a ton of content. And when I say extremely lucky, I mean you're going to have to sit through a lot. All right, let's see what else we got here. Oh, I can tell you it's bright pink. Look at that. Jesus. Oh my God, it's a Squire. I just started a Squire collection recently. I guess they have a lot more of those over there than they do here. But let me see if I can grab it for you. Just picked up that bad boy. That's a genuine Squire. Alright guys, let's get this done. Get you guys on your way. Okay, so we're at the bottom of the barrel here. And, whoa, that's pretty heavy as well. I love these things. If you guys see, it's one of the only things I use when I take apart locks, which isn't very often. And this right here, I had no idea he was sending this, but this right here, I broke the last one I had, and that's why you haven't seen me do any of those locks in a while. And of course, a genuine YouTube / Locknoob sticker set. Obviously, that's gonna go on the gram. I don't see a key for this, but I'll tell you what, I'm definitely gonna open it. I'm gonna pick it. My father was from England, and his grandmother and family, and this is all just super great stuff. Locknoob, I appreciate it, man. I seriously do. Tip, base. Okay. This is just incredible. Thank you. If a glitter bomb popped out of here and hit me in the face, and I was blind in one eye, I'll tell you what, I would be super happy that I got shot in the face with a glitter bomb from Locknoob. So, there's that. Holy... Do you see this? Wow. I was asking him about this because I was so interested in the double-sided picks here like this. I don't know if they're called quick tips or anything like that, but to have the ability to go in on one side, and you just need to get that last one or second to last one, but you're having trouble getting into certain things, so you switch it around. You hit it with the left, you switch around, you hit it with the right. So I mean, this is an amazing haul, and I can't thank you enough for this. I seriously can't thank you enough for it. Guys, thanks for watching. Definitely stay tuned, and you're going to want to see me opening these, putting this to use. And I just appreciate you guys coming and watching the channel. Definitely like and subscribe, because then I can make more awesome content and show more people. So feel free to contact me with any questions or comments about the video you see here or any of my videos. Likewise, if you have any ideas for future videos and would like to suggest a lock picking tool, or have something you'd like for me to review, just contact me with the information provided below. If you like this video and want to see more of my upcoming videos, subscribe, like, and share. And the Legal Lock Picker's on Instagram, so definitely check that out. New content goes up every single day, and I will see you guys later.